Okay, this is another part of me doing my makeup. Okay, anyways, I might just do like 3 right there. I don't want to do so much. I put too much sometimes and it doesn't go well. So I'm gonna just try to do a little one. Like that. That's so easy. If y'all want to do like harder ones, you guys can. You can. I just wouldn't, to be honest. This is like the easiest method I've ever done in my life, so. You know, one more right there. So I put 4. I'm gonna wipe this a little bit. Doesn't look nice. Okay. There you go. I promise you, this is like such easy makeup to do, just to like do for fun. Or if you want to be a cheetah for Halloween, go ahead. Just for next year, because it's already past Halloween. It's Christmas even. Season. Okay. Anyways, I move a lot, so this might come off really fast. I'm gonna do my hair in like, I don't know what kind of like people would do their hair into like a cheetah. To me, I would just flat my hair, cause like you don't really see anything. Okay, this is actually eating. This is actually not my go-to makeup, but it might become. Just like to be fun, you know, just to be fun. I'm just gonna get this this one and just put a little bit of like tan around it. Wait. Okay, just to have a little bit more fun with it, I would put some sparkles around it. I'll put some like a little bit of sparkles, just a little bit, you know. Get this, get your highlight. This is the Charlotte Tilbury one. Just put it around it. You don't have to put so much, but just like don't have it so high because like you're basically blending the eyeshadow in. Just don't do it so hard, please. You're gonna ruin your makeup, I promise you. Okay, if you really want to have like sparkles around your face, just do that on your nose, just a little bit, just slightly chill. Not gonna put too much. So I tried to put eyeliner on my eye and it did not go as planned. As you can see, this eye is way blacker than this eye because I put a lot more here than here. So I like removed all of it. It's not a bad idea to like just try new things, you know. It wasn't that bad of an idea. I actually had so much fun making that. It was so fun. But this is your final makeup look. If you want to make it more fun, just saying if you want to. And you have this Patrick Ta highlight. You could just highlight it a little bit. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. It's just a little bit more highlight. Only if you want. Okay. So that's my makeup look. But I'm gonna do a little bit more. Chill. But my makeup is basically eating. I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes a little bit more and then put a little bit more mascara and then I'm gonna be ready to go. Just have to change in 5 minutes, so I should be done. Okay, so I'm gonna get my Anastasia mascara, which I got with my auntie, not for me. I did not buy this, okay? I was gonna get a lipstick of it, but Oh wait, I did actually. What is it? Oh, it's right here. I got this. I don't think this is Anastasia, but it's really cute. It's like lipstick, but also lip gloss at the same time. It's really cool. I love it actually to death. It's like my go-to. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna put too much on this eye because like there's less on this side than my eye. Just for the last thing, I'm just gonna do a little bit of pink lip gloss. This is pink. Yours is pink. It smells like watermelon. Oh, because it is. That's so dumb. Anyways, this is the final. Okay, y'all, tell me if you guys love this makeup look. I actually think I ate this time. This time I didn't, the last video I did not do it on like right here. I did it here. So, okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Try it out. Tag me in it. See y'all. Bye.